Well, I'm here in the car. I'm a BMW 2006 M5, and this is one of the problems I have every single morning. I put in the key, uh, put on the brake, push button, nothing. It doesn't do a single thing, but it seems like it sends power around the front car. So sometimes it takes like 4 or 5 minutes to get it started, and it's kind of tricky though. As soon as it starts, I can shut it off all day long. It will start right back on. It just in the morning. It seems like it goes to sleep. I don't know, something. I gotta be playing with it until it wants to start. And sometimes I gotta give a little boost. Gotta hold my finger on the button and the push button. It's tricky. It happens every day. Seems last October when I changed battery, that's when it started happening. And I actually did the battery, what do you call it, reset. It happens like that. See? Now it started. See? So if anybody have any ideas what might be the problem, please make a comment. Let me know, please. I'll appreciate it.